facilities are provided. If we talk about the top services of the Indian government,
as in this state, the level of the officers for getting a car, petrol, accommodation, we can't compare to a private employees on that state, because IAS officer for getting this for getting a job, they do a very hard work in our life for and the
you would like to say they have to burn midnight oil. After that, somebody becomes an IAS officer. Means IAS officer is not an ordinary officer, and he can't be compared with the private sector. Means for reaching to that stage, you have to put lot of efforts. Yes. Here we have got, you have to put lot of endeavors. You would have to put lot of endeavors. Yes, you would like to say something?
Yes, sir. I realized after working in private sector.
I have realized
in working
after working in private sector.
Private sector, sir. Private company give the chance of to go to abroad. And if you go to abroad, so you can apply the MNC company. If you join MNC company, and many MNC company come foreigner in company, and you can talk foreigner easily.
Means you had opportunity to hone up your communication skills.
Communication skills, and MNC company people's MNC company demand good communication skills, but government job not.
They also demand.
They also not demand good command in English.
It's like that government job is a diamond and private sector job is gold. Both have their own value.
Both are.
Yes, sir. What would you like to say, sir?
This is not true.
Okay.
Communication skilled. If you are searching in private sector and government sector, will be same. Not government servant are very high educated.
It is true.
So if you are not compared to MNC or others, government is very good. Say
No doubt about it.
We have heard about a news as a PhD holder applied for a sweeper job.
Sweeper job. But they are not
that is
PhD holders.
ability. That is called ability.
No, I'm saying that
no,
they are saying
it is not it is an environment.
That is called ability.
No, sir, you need to understand, means when a PhD person is also ready for the job of a sweeper, it means there is something in that job. There is something in that job. As we are saying this, a moment before you were talking about the communication, I would like to tell you there is a service IFS, Indian Foreign Service,
Yes,
where you will find the officers, they are good at communication. It means they are familiar with many languages.
Yes,
It means they are appointed in the various countries.
RAS also you can say.
It means these are the officers, means communication is a very small thing for them.
Both
I
are
think-
both are equal, IS and IFS, but some one stage difference between IS and IS officers. Both communication of both officers are very well
Different
done.
kind of communication they have, because they have to write lot of letters, they have to talk to many people, sometimes they have to talk highly educated people also. If there is a CEO of a company is highly educated, he has to talk to the district collector, and district collector has also got the same abilities. Okay? So it is really a very good discussion with all of you. After that we are
Sir, nowadays I realize that I saw some samosa wala or tikki walas, they earn a lot money as compared to us. We just earn 25 or 30,000 per month.
Self-employed.
And they earn 20,000 per day.
no doubt about it.
So what's that? I thought about that. They are a illiterate person. They are not an educated person. So we can say that about what is the difference between on that stage educated or a non-educated person?
No, there is a difference between them. Means
There are
if you-
two types of jobs, white collar jobs and समोसा कुलचा जाओ.
Blue collar job, we call it blue
I
collar
know
job.
that some shops about the like that they earn a lot money per day.
He has raised a very good point.
And then also they didn't pay a income tax.
It is compared to money, how to get it. per day.
No, means somewhere he would like to say there is no difference between a literate and an education, or the ultimate source of our life is to earn money. Means it is wrong. This statement is completely wrong, but ultimately we are running for the money. Means these illiterate people are also earning. Means I could not say literate. These people are also earning 20,000 rupees per day. It means 6 lakh rupees in a month.
And they
So
also
are
didn't
better
pay the
than
income
educated.
tax, and they are not putting ourselves in an income tax slabs.
Okay, so it was a lovely discussion with all of you. If somebody wants to say, he can say.
If you have a government job, you can take full enjoyment whole life.
It is somewhere true.
58 years age, as a Jamai of government job.
इतना तो कोई एक साल में कमा लेते हैं.
No,
Well,
means
compared
fair
to
speak.
money means.
Okay. He would like to say in the government job you get you get comfort.
You
Means
get
you
comfort.
work in your comfort zone, but in the private sector you are given
Always
targets.
fluctuating.
And
always
fluctuating, and you can be exploited in the private sector because your boss is your real boss. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
But in the government, your real boss means he is the means there is a difference between a boss and owner. Boss means a person who is superior to you, but the owner means who has become god of you. Are you getting my point? In the private sector, inside the premises of the multinational company, inside the premises of a private company, that owner becomes god of you. It means his voice is a rule for you. His voice is a rule for you. Suppose you would like to leave the office at 6 o'clock because you have birthday of your daughter today, but you can't leave the office because you have been assigned a particular task at the 11th hour of your day. मतलब बिल्कुल अंत में, means at the end of the day, but you can't leave the work. Otherwise, you will be sacked. But in the government job, you have terms and conditions, and nobody can violate those terms and conditions. It means you work in your comfort zone. Targets are not given to you. In the marketing jobs, you are given the targets. You have to travel hundreds of kilometers in a month for selling the products only, and you are getting only 10,000, 15,000. Talk about the boys who work in the malls and all. Means they are getting 8,000, 10,000. 8,000, 10,000, and
They are also getting an incentive per target.
You are saying right, but it is not easy to get the incentive every month. Means you get the incentive you get incentive once in a blue moon. There is a word once in a blue moon. It means rarely you get the incentives because companies are very wise. Their policies are prepared by the psychologically trained trainers. It means it is like a temp. You are just running after a carrot. And it means at the end of the day you will get exhausted and you will not able to catch that particular carrot for whom you were running. It is true somewhere.
That is correct policy.
Okay, anybody would like to say something? After that, I'm going to wrap it. And there will be a session of 5 minutes after that. Okay, it was a lovely discussion with all of you. You have given very good points. Some students have not spoken today.